Once again, sharing you my a day in Davao life. Life is here. A day in the life of the retired teacher. Sharing you my marketing activities for this afternoon. Of course, I'm here in Mintal once again, the nearest market to my residence, wherein the items are affordable. Meanwhile, sharing you my roadway as I transfers going home to the residence. I'm riding now the tricycle, or as being popularly called here in Davao as pedicab. Heavy traffic on this area. Life is here in Davao. So we passed by Cebu Massage. That is very famous, popular here in Davao. Mintal is just a few minutes away from Pequeño and vice versa. Holy Child Academy is a school wherein previously I have my plan to have my part-time teaching, but I changed my mind. In my workplace, Jollibee, Mabito, and Chowking. We are now here in Green Meadows subdivision entrance. Another subdivision in Davao, Green Meadows. Men are working. From Kalinan going to downtown. We now may pilot here from right.
Hi, Robert.
So I'm here now. The arrival. Thank you so much.
Hello to yourself.
No, I will not. Napakoy, ano, bilhin. I'm here in Residencia Del Rayo and Catalunan Pequeño Tricycle Terminal. Ano ko? Pacquiao. Pero natin, anong dila mo? Pwede palit sa tagpan dira? RDR, ha? Pacquiao ko, ha?
Dali ka na to dito.
Oo, tagaanta kay 50. Ano lang tama, palit lang ko dira ng prutas. Kanana. RDR 18.3, ha? Kanana dira pan. Bugat man ko tayo. So, if you are going to have your Pacquiao, you pay 40 pesos, but if the pilot is good, no, you can give tip. Okay, here we go. Bikiri muna, bikiri. Then yung angat-bang prutas. Sharing you my day in Davao City. The life of the retired teacher. Palit. Sandali lang. Wag mo na akong i-change. Dali. Wait for me, ha? Okay, my favorite bread. Big bread. Suki. Big bread tulo. Slice.
Big bread tulo?
Oh, slice. Oh, slice, ha? Pwede na. Bayan doon. Pwede, dalian lang. Ako yulat. Ari, oh. Dali lang, ha? Kanang puti. Suki.